Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. And now the CL Patience will perform the dance on the song पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. Now the student will say something on this special day for all the fathers present over here.
पापा को आज अपने क्या उपहार दे, पापा को आज अपने क्या उपहार दे, तोहफे दे फूलों के या गुलाबों के हार दे. हमारी जिंदगी में जो है सबसे प्यारे, हमारी जिंदगी में जो है सबसे प्यारे, उन पर तो जिंदगी ही वार दे, जिंदगी ही वार दे. Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu and I study in CL Public School, Narmul. Today I want to tell you something about Father's Day. 21st of June is celebrated as Father's Day throughout the world. The nation's first Father's Day was celebrated on June 19 in 1910 in the state of Washington. This day is celebrated to appreciate the role of father in a child's life, also to honor and recognize their contribution to the lives of their children in our society. Our mother and father both sacrifices a lot for us. Their sacrifice in our life is invaluable. Many children leave their parents in the time when they need them most, that is in their old age. So this day is celebrated to make every father feel special by giving gift to them. A father works very hard to nurture his children. Their sacrifice in our life is uncomfortable. So we should always love them and give respect to them that they deserve. On this day, many families go out for dinner and have a family dinner together. To make this day more special, all the children give the special surprise to their father to make it more memorable. The origin of Father's Day was from Mother's Day. First we celebrate Mother's Day, then later it was decided to celebrate Father's Day to give respect to all the fathers in the nation. Many people were not in favor of celebrating this day, but later it was declared as the nation's first Father's Day by the West Virginia Church on June 5, 1908. That's why we celebrate Father's Day in the whole nation. So we should never forget their hard work and always care of them whenever they need us. Happy Father's Day.
Hello everyone, I'm Umang and today I will be talking about the strength of a father and Father's Day. The aim of my speech is to help understand the significance of celebrating Father's Day. Father's Day is one occasion which comes with an opportunity to make your dad feel special and make him realize that contribution in the whole family setup. When a child is born, right from that day, to him, his father is his superhero. A father may be described in various ways. He is the provider, the protector, the savior, the creator, and everything you can think of. Somebody rightly said that the greatest gift I ever had from God, I call him Dad. It is the time when we should understand how lucky we are to have a father. There are people out there who are not lucky. Enough have a father. And they are the who called understand the importance of having a father. Father's Day is a celebration honoring fathers and celebrating fatherhood, paternal bonds, and the fathers of father in society. On this occasion, people gives gifts and flowers to their fathers and spend time with him. It is the time of the year when which has been created to talk about understand the role of a father plays in his child's life. At last, I dedicate some lines to my father. Daddy, you have given me the best things in life. Your time, your care, and your love. I'm truly grateful to have you in my life.